So I'm going to show you quickly how I manipulate patterns when I do visor strips. So this brand new GMC AT4 is in. It's a repeated customer. He is gonna do front match on this, and then we're gonna do visor strips. So this video is basically gonna show you how I kind of manipulate my patterns when I do visor strips with the plotter. I use a 20-inch roll. I order 3% only and specifically for visor strips. So let's go over to the computer and I'm gonna show you how I plot these guys out. So hopefully you can see this without too much glare. So basically what I do, I'm gonna pull this vehicle up. GMC Sierra 1500 4-door pickup truck. It's brand new, so we'll just click on these. Actually, all these are the same. So once I look to make sure it's the right windshield pattern, which it's the larger one. So I'm gonna take both of these patterns and I'm gonna move them up. And then with the software, I'll just zoom in on these. So basically what I like to do is take this one pattern, whichever one, I'm gonna flip it around, and then I'll position it right here. This one I don't need, so I'll just get rid of it. All right, so now since I got both these patterns, what I'm gonna do is probably make it, let's just say about 8.2. That should be enough. So I'm just gonna go into the software. 8.2. I'm just making the visor bigger. I'll do the same thing with this one. Just do 8.2. I'm just using a round number. So now I just made both of these visor strips bigger than what they were. And now I'll position these on here. Like I said, this customer liked his visor strips a little bit bigger. I mean, they have tons of visor strips in here, but I just like to always use the one that's closest to the windshield, which is usually the largest one. But now I just bumped it up to make it a little bit bigger because this customer likes it a little bigger. So now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and plot this out. I'll just hit quick cut over here in the bottom left. And now the plotter just does the work. And as I mentioned, this is a 20-inch roll. Another reason why I like this plotter, because it has the spots for a 20-inch roll. All right, so now that is done. So let's just get this over on the peel board. So even when I'm doing the visor strip, I like to just put my patterns up here on the peel board so I can see what I got. I like to separate it so I can use each pattern individually when I install. So this is why I like using a 20-inch roll, because basically with two big visors, you're pretty much using up the majority of that roll. So now I have this pattern and now I have that pattern, and they're ready to be installed. And as I mentioned, I like to do my visor strips in 3% so that they're super dark and they do the job. keeping the sun out. I've been using 3% and 20-inch rolls for